So we're going to finish up the angle theorem for triangle foldable. We're going to go to the last page for exterior angle theorem. So flip to this page. And the exterior angle theorem states that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. So we're talking about remote interior is remote interior, angles 1 and 2 are remote interior to angle 4. So angles 1 and 2 are remote interior to angle 4. So to find the measure of angle 4, we could just add the measure of angles 1 and 2 together. So from angle A to C to B, we can figure out what that guy is. And from the measure of angle B, C, D, we can figure out that one. So from B to C to D is an exterior angle. It's outside the triangle. We can figure out how much it is if we do 58 plus 74. So we do 58 plus 74. That'd be 132 is the measure of angle B to C to D. Now to find the measure of ACB, so we're talking about from A to C to B, is this one right here. We could take 180 minus this 132, and that will give us 48 degrees is the measure of this one right here, ACB, and this one is 132 degrees. For the second example, from G to H to J is the exterior angle outside the triangle, and that one is really obtuse right there. I'm going to find it by using its remote interior, the two angles inside the triangle that are the farthest away. So 103 plus 51 will give me 154 for the measure of angle GHJ. So if you want, you can write 154 degrees right here. So that doesn't leave a whole lot for this little tiny acute angle right here. So 180 minus these two together are 154. (26 degrees) will be the measure of this little tiny acute angle right there. So then moving up, we're going to put some algebra in with this mess. So the measure of angle R currently is 18 times x degrees. The measure of angle S is currently the expression 15x plus 3 degrees. And then the measure of R to Q to S, so we're talking about this one right here, we need to figure out. So using the information that we have here, we know that from here to here will be a total of 180 degrees. We also know that this right here is going to be equal to this and this added together. So that's where I'm going to start. 135 is equal to 18x plus 15x plus 3. And now that's an equation where I'm ready to combine my like terms. So 135 is equal to 33x. Bring down my plus 3. It has nothing to combine with on that side. Now it's a two-step equation, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. That zeroes out. This is 132 is equal to 33x. 33 is multiplying the variable x, so to get rid of it, I'm going to use the inverse operation to divide by 33 on both sides to keep it balanced. 33x divided by 33 leaves me with 1x, which is what I'm looking for. And 132 divided by 33 is 4. That means x is 4. Now I take the x and substitute it into each of these other equations to determine how much each of those angles are. So let's use 18x, the expression for angle R. I'm going to substitute for my answer from here, my solution from here, for the x, and then evaluate. 18 times 4 is 72. So that means the measure of angle R is 72 degrees. For angle S, I'm going to use the expression 15x plus 3. I'm going to substitute my solution 4 for the variable x. 15 times 4 is 60, plus 3 is 63 degrees, so angle S is 63 degrees. And then this little angle right here, it's going to be 180 minus 135. And that's going to be equal to 45 degrees. So this one is 45 degrees. I'm going to let you guys try number 4 on your own. That's all I have for today. Thanks for listening.